how to turn on or turn off data saver for the secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on security and privacy. After that, scroll down and then tap on more security settings. Then in here, tap on secure folder. After that, we scroll down, then tap on more settings. Now in here, tap on data usage. At the top, tap on data saver. Then go down and tap on turn on now. Tap on the toggle button to turn off data saver or to turn on data saver. And that's it. When you turn on data saver, it can help cut down your data usage by preventing apps from using data in the background. While turn on, the data saver icon will be shown in the status bar. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.